Welcome to English class. Today you are going to learn about an interesting topic, articles. What are the articles? The words a and the are called articles. The words a and the are called articles. These articles are normally used before nouns. What are the nouns? We have already learned that noun is a naming word. Cat, park, school. These are all nouns. So, a and an are called indefinite articles while the is known as definite articles. So remember, a and an are called indefinite articles while the is known as definite articles. Example, a book, a table, a tree, a house, an umbrella, an orange, an innocent man, an apple, an elephant. The above words refers to any of its kind. Such articles are called indefinite articles. These indefinite articles stand before only singular form of nouns. These indefinite articles stand before only singular form of nouns. An is used only before words with a vowel as their first letter. A, E, I, O, U are the five vowels. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Example, he is an honest man. He is an honest man. I am late by an hour. The words honest and hour do not have a vowel as the first letter of the word, but these words begins with a vowel sound. Remember, these words begins with the vowel sound. That's why we write and before the honest man and an honest man and an hour. Example, the book, books. What is the plural form of book? Books. The house, houses. The table, tables. The tree, trees. The fruit, fruits. These articles refers to particular noun, so the is called as a definite article. So remember, the is called a definite article. There are two types of articles, definite and indefinite articles. A and an are called indefinite articles and the is called definite articles. Further, the can be added before singular and plural forms of the nouns. To say the definite article is used before a single countable nouns. What are the countable nouns? Those nouns can be counted. So what are the uncountable nouns? Those nouns cannot be counted, like rice, milk. Those nouns are cannot be counted. So these nouns are considered as a uncountable noun. So table, chair are countable nouns and uncountable nouns are rice, milk are called uncountable nouns. So the can be added before singular and plural forms of nouns. To say the definite article is used before single countable nouns, plural countable nouns and also before uncountable nouns. Example, the milk. Here the is used as an article before uncountable noun. Examples: a dozen of oranges, a battalion of soldiers. A is used before singular nouns that are unspecified, but dozen and battalion do not reveal singular aspect of the nouns. These are exceptions. Since morning, I am bit worried. See the example. Since morning, I am bit worried. In the above sentence, the article a is used before class. What is class? A group of words that includes a subject and a verb. A class is usually only part of the sentence. So, what are the class? A group of words that includes a subject and a verb. So, in the above sentence, the article a is used before class. Some other examples. The sun rises in the east, sets in the west. The nights are very shorter in the summer, while they are longer in the winter. An article is a word used to modify a noun which is a person, place, object or idea. Articles can be divided into indefinite articles. A, an. It is unspecified. Definite articles, specified. The. Indefinite article. A, an. Generally, a or an is used before singular countable noun. Example: a book, a table, an apple. Usage of indefinite articles. If a word starts with consonant sounds, we can use a before that. What is consonant? Consonants means except A, E, I, O, U, all the letters are consonant. What are the consonant sounds? A consonant is a speech sound that is not vowel. It also refers to letter the alphabet that represents those sounds. Z, B, T, G and H are all consonants. Consonants are all the non-vowel sounds. So, consonants are all the non-vowel sounds. Example: I need a dictionary. Here, the word dictionary has a consonant sound D. So, we can use a before the common noun dictionary. Some words start with vowels A, E, I, O, U, but it gives consonant sound. The A is to be used there. A university, a union, a European, a 1 rupee. If a word starts with vowels or vowel sound, an is to be placed before that word. An idiot, an accident. A word starts with consonant but it gives vowel sounds. Then we have to use an. Example: an hour, an hotel, an historical, an heroic, an hair. If singular noun comes as complement in the sentence, then we can a or an. Then we can use a or an. Example: she is an actress. She will be dancer next year. To mention a particular group of people, by a particular person, use a or an. Example, a people should obey his teacher. That means meaning of all students. People means here students. PUPAL. People means students. A dog is faithful to his master. That means meaning of all dogs. A lion is a dangerous animal. It denotes all the lions. Use a or an before the name of professions. So we use a or an before the name of professions. Example, he is a teacher. I am an engineer. So why we write an before engineer? Because it is a vowel sound e. Before the vowel letter we should write an vowel letter or vowel sound. Use a or an after some prepositions like at, of. Prepositions. What are the prepositions? Prepositions are word placed before a noun or pronoun. Examples, 2 tablets at a time. So here 2 tablets at a time. A is a article, at is a preposition. Let us see the another example. Birds of feather fly together. Birds of a feather fly together. We have to use an in abbreviations beginning with the letters F, H, L, M, N, R, S and X. So example, an MP. An MP means member of parliament. An MLA. An FOCS. An SSLC. She is an MP. She is a member of parliament. She is a member of parliament. If a sentence has keywords like one, any, every, certain, then use a or an. Example, he owned a car and 2 taxis. He owned a car and 2 taxis. That means if a sentence has keywords like one, any, every, certain, then use a or an. He owned a car and 2 taxis. A girl has come to see you. Here, a car means one car. A girl has come to see you. Certain. A is to be used before few and little. I have a few rupees. He received a little money from his friend. A or an comes after the verb to be called. Example, it is called a remote. It is called an umbrella. To denote certain quantity, number, speed, a or an can be used. Example, he has a lot of experience. Number, I want a dozen mangoes. Quantity, the Yercaud Express runs 150 kilometers an hour. Speed, in exclamatory sentence, a or an can used before single countable noun. Example, what a lovely dress. What a wonder movie. What a lovely dress. Usage of the. We can use article the before oceans, rivers, newspapers, hill, gulf, peaks, states, banks, forest, etc. Example, the Indian Ocean. the Ganges, the Times of India. Before the unique objects, the is to be used. Example, the sun, the moon, the earth. The should be used before the adjective and superlative degree. Example, Shakespeare is the greatest of English dramatists. Example, Shakespeare is the greatest of English dramatists. We can use the before parts of human body. Example, the head, the ear, the cheek. In a paragraph, to mention a person or an object, again use the before the word. Example, he gave me a knife and a spoon. The knife was not sharp. To mention particular person or object or place, use the before that word. Example, the pen you want is out of stock. This is the purse which I lost yesterday. When a singular noun is used to represent a whole class, use the before that noun. Example, the parrot is a clever bird. That means all parrots. The fox is a cunning animal. All fox. Note, the should not be used before man or woman when it comes as noun. The man is mortal. It is a wrong sentence. Man is immortal. It is a right sentence. So, to mention the date of month and to mention ordinal numeral adjective, use the before the word. Example, 7th March, the 30th December. To mention the holy books, use the before that word. Example, the Bible, the Bhagavad Gita, the Quran. In some cases, we use the same word to mention the language as well as the people of the country. In such cases, use the before the people but not before the language. Example, China. China is a country. Chinese. The Chinese is the language. Chinese language called Chinese people. The Chinese. As well as England is a country. English is a language. The English is the people. If two actions change in the same ratio, to compare the actions, use the in the sentence. Example, the more you learn, the more knowledge you gather. The sooner you go, the sooner you will be back. Omission of article. Before the plural noun, the indefinite articles should not be used. Example, he is lawyer, singular noun. They are lawyers, plural nouns. I am an Indian, singular noun. Articles should not be used before the uncountable nouns. He needs advice. It's a correct sentence. He needs an advice. Sentence is incorrect. I need a water. It is an incorrect sentence. I need some water is a correct sentence. Articles should not be used before breakfast, dinner, supper when it comes normally. Example, we have breakfast at 9 a.m. I was invited to dinner. If the above mentioned words come with adjective or particular reason or occasion, we can use articles. They gave us a good dinner. Adjective. Good. No articles before the names of the country, city, street, month, day, festival. So no articles before the names of country, city, street, month, day, festival. Remember the Japan, incorrect. The Christmas, incorrect. Japan, correct. Christmas, correct. Generally, no articles come before the things and the metals, but to mention the particular metal, use the before the metal. Use the before metal. Gold is very costly. It is a general. The gold that I bought is not genuine. So, particularly, particular. Before languages avoid articles. Example, Hindi is a difficult language. Correct. The Hindi is a difficult language. Incorrect. Articles never come before abstract noun. Example, cleanliness is next to godliness. Note, abstract nouns. What are the abstract nouns? Truth, knowledge, love, honesty, poverty, wisdom, strength, absence, which we cannot see, hear or smell. We can only feel. Which we cannot touch. We can only feel. Avoid articles before games. Example, I play tennis. They play cricket. When common noun comes in the plural, articles should not be used. Example, cats like mice. Girls play games. No article come before the relationship. Example, brother has gone out. Father wants you to see him. Do not use any articles before the names of countries or continents, but use the before the names of countries or states which include words like republic, union, kingdom, states. Example, the United States of America, the United Kingdom. Don't use articles when the words school, hospital, court, church, prison, market. Example, the children go to school. The murderer was sent to prison. But to mention a particular place, use the before the word. Use before that word. Example, the wall of the prison must be very high. Don't use articles before complement and abstract nouns. They elected him as president. It's a correct sentence. They elected him as the president. It is an incorrect sentence. Honesty is the best policy. Correct sentence. The honesty is the best policy. It is an incorrect sentence. Avoid articles before names of subject of study, interest and interest. Example, history, painting, physics, music. I am very much interested in physics. Before the names of holidays and festivals, the should not be used. Example, Diwali is Hindu's festival. Christmas holiday begins on 23rd December.